You asked how to buy shares of BTC Development Corp, so I'll show the process step by step. BTC Development Corp is a technology company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker BDCI, and this is an educational explanation, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. We'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker BDCI to find the listing. Make sure you select the BTC Development Corp result to locate the correct stock. On the asset page, review the company summary and the recent price chart to confirm it's the right listing. Double-check the NASDAQ exchange and the BDCI ticker shown on the page. Tap Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, then review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing. After confirmation, your position will appear in your portfolio view. Find the example link to eToro in the description if you want to follow these steps.